Hello guys. So today we're gonna be doing shout outs. I'm gonna try and like do a shout out special like every Saturday or Sunday. So yeah. So if you want a shout out, just ask for one in the comment section, and I'll pick the first 5 I see. Sometimes I'll be doing like a special 10 or something. So yeah. So the first shout out does not go to me because that's just weird. Alright, so the first shout out goes to Trick Shotting Comedy, and I will put all the links in the description to these channels, so go subscribe to them and you might get a chance of one yourself. So he does some awesome videos. He does some Black Ops, and yeah, go subscribe to him. And yeah, he's a cool guy. He's chill. So yeah. The second one goes to Retro Gamer, and he does some garage tours and stuff like that. So yeah, he's only uploaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos. So yeah, with 12 subscribers, so I'll go check him out. Third shout out goes to Reaper Gaming. He does some intros and stuff like that. So yeah. So the fourth shout out goes to, wait for it, Awesome Amir. So yeah. So he does some okay videos, I guess, because like not all YouTubers like come prepared with the right equipment and stuff. And plus, all the YouTubers I gave shoutouts, they're all like young. Most of them go to my school. Reaper Gaming and Trick Shotting and Awesome Amir go to my school. So yeah, check those guys out. And yeah, remember, if you want a shout out, just ask for it in the comment section. And all these channels you see here, I will leave a link to their channels in the description, so go check them out and subscribe to them. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.